Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be giving you a detailed beginner's eyebrow tutorial, so let's get started. Now a lot of people will be asking me how to get the brow area matte before drawing. This is what you do: you take some powder, apply on that area so that your pencil can easily glide on. So I'm using this Essence long lasting eyebrow pencil and this other Essence Kajal brow pencil. I'm using black to outline for demo purposes so you can see clearly. This is me drawing, and I'm trying to create the arch at that point where my eyeball, you know, the dark circle ends. That's where you arch it. I don't know, you get it. That is where the arch is supposed to be. And then now I fill in with this Essence long lasting brow pencil. I brush with a spoolie. You have to soften the starting point, and I go in with Essence Camouflage Matte Concealer. This concealer is so good. It has a nice coverage and is easy to work with, especially for beginners. You know, when the consistency of a concealer is too light, it's difficult for you to control. So this concealer is very good. Now the front part of the brow, I'm using a darker shade of concealer, while the end, like the arch area, I use a lighter shade for that highlight, you know, and I blend it in. You can always leave it like this. Some people don't conceal the top part, but others do. So this is how you clean the top part of the brow. You go in with a concealer shade that is same with your skin tone to clean that brow. Now we take a brush, another clean brush, blend in the excess products, fade out the starting point, and this is our brow. Thank you all for watching and see you. Bye.